Another type of line that you can use to produce the layout of your base plan and your design is the flexible line or the polyline command, or complex line. So it's draw and polyline. And if I click it, it's asking us for the first point, and I happen to have the entity snap nearest on at the moment, so that'll latch onto the arc that we see, the green arc. If I now come across here, what I've done is turn on polar tracking, so I'll come across here and I'm looking at, I'm going about 400 millimeters across in this direction. Now let's imagine we want to go up at an angle of 135. We do that, and then we go up again, maybe another 400 mil, and I'm just using the, I'm within a millimeter of accuracy there, and then we come across to this point here, and finally onto that line there, and we'll enter to finish. And I've been drawing in the color magenta. There's our flexible line. If I click on it, it's one single entity, as distinct from this white line that we drew originally. We've trimmed it subsequently, but it's a single entity. So both are single entities. This consists of a number of line segments, but it's just one. It's a rather ugly design here, isn't it? But you'll see the point. I want to use the point command now, so it's draw and point, and I want to put a point at that change of direction, another point at that change of direction, there and there, and those points, I'll zoom in on them and you can see there is the point marker that's gone in, and I can get information about the precise pair of coordinates by picking location data and come across to here and pick that point, and I can get, I'll just escape from there and demonstrate that again. I'll right click now, go to drafting aids. I want to make sure that my object snap is turned on and that it's going to node rather than nearest, and I'll OK that. Now if I go to information and location data, I can snap to that particular point, and I should get, it's not working now, it's working. You'll see it's highlighted now. Now I've got the precise X and Y coordinates of that point. So we can locate any point that we place in our drawing, and we can get the precise X and Y coordinates, and that might be very useful for setting these things out. I'm sorry that that looks a little ugly, but I'm sure you get my drift here. We've looked at the polyline command, many lines, and we've looked at the point command.